How to manage your loans. To get started, select Money Movement from the top navigation, and then select Loans from the drop-down. From this page, you can view and interact with all your loans. If you have multiple loans, you can navigate through them using the page's navigation on the bottom right. To view information about an individual loan, select the arrow symbol on the left. In the expanded view, you can see information like account number, original balance, and the current balance. Selecting the three dots on the right side will give you access to additional options such as making a loan payment or viewing payment and advance history. Selecting Loan Summary Notes will give you information such as interest rate, issue date, maturity date, and original balance. The Loan Activity Report option will provide a breakdown of interest, principal, other charges, payment types, and effective dates. On the Balances page, you can review loan balances for a specific date, within a date range, or for the previous business day before generating a report. You are now prepared to manage your loans in Business Plus.